Welcome to the Art Project. Thanks for clicking on my video. I am about to mess up a pretty girl's face in a drawing. Not intentionally, of course, but seems like every drawing I do, the person's face is longer, they look older, all kinds of different problems. This particular one, I gave the girl a really bad lazy eye, and you will see this pretty quick in the video. But before it was all over with, I fixed it. Well, no, I take that back. The video is over, and when the video was over, when all the footage that I had was done, I had not fixed it. But before, well, we won't say before I was done, I actually did fix the eye. I had to go back in with some more black ink instead of just the brown, and I had to kind of like nudge the eyeball over, the pupil over a little bit with some white paint or white gesso and some ink. So it ended up turning out pretty good. I've been telling my students all day long, and all the ones that I've drawn, I said, look, I'm practicing, I'm getting better. I know it doesn't look exactly like you, but I really like for my portraits to be kind of dark and moody, and I want them to look like you, but at the same time I also want them to look sort of artistic. I want them to have a little, maybe a little moodiness, maybe a little creepiness, maybe a little bit scary sometimes, but I don't know. I just don't want it to be. I'm not trying to paint pretty pictures of people, at least not yet. But anyway, I'm working on it. I am trying to get it to where it looks more like them, but at the same time maintaining a certain amount of like darkness to it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this. You can see already in this picture that eye on the left is really too dark already, and then even though I darkened the other one up, it still doesn't look all that great. But if you look at the very end where I took some pictures of the very finished product after I'd fixed it, I think it looks a whole lot better. Most of my students agreed it looked a whole lot better. In fact, when I took it into the first block class, they were like, wow, look at her eye, that eye is crazy. Then I fixed it, and then my second block class came in and they didn't notice the eye. They said her jaw was kind of messed up. So anyway, well, that's the nature of drawing a portrait, especially when you're learning. But here's the other thing. If I stop doing them because I'm not very good at them, or if I stop doing them because everybody says that they look messed up, or don't really look like the person, then I'm not going to get any better. So I've got to keep on making them. I've got to keep on practicing. I got to keep on messing some folks up in order to get better at it. So don't let doing bad drawings or ugly drawings or creepy drawings or any of that, don't let any of that stop you from drawing. Keep on drawing no matter what. And so you can also see I've been trying out different things lately. There's a couple of charcoal drawings and there's a couple of ink drawings. And today I did one with Prismacolor sticks. It had the same kind of feel as charcoal, but not quite as messy. But when I was done, my fingers were completely blue. I did it in blue Prismacolor pencil. You won't get to see that picture because I didn't do any I didn't do a video of it. You can go and see it on Instagram. I haven't posted it yet, but I'll probably post it on Instagram pretty soon. So, long story short, I'm practicing. I like the way these are looking, even though I'm not really getting the true beauty of each of the students that I'm drawing. I'm getting some pretty neat, kind of creepy looking pictures, I think. And I'm a big fan of Alberto Giacometti's style and Francis Bacon's style. I don't know a whole lot about those two artists, but I like what they came up with. Alberto Giacometti's stuff is always kind of like dark. It just seems like he adds more than he really should, and I like that. So if you're a fan of dark, and if you're a fan of brushwork brush lines. And oh, in this particular part of the video, I started trying to do the hair even finer. And as I was doing the wispy hair, it was just too thick. And so I got a brush and I cut out like all but about 20 little hairs. And that really, really helped. You can't see it great in this video, but I just went overboard trying to make all these little wispy hairs, all of the little flyaways. I drew way more flyaways than she actually had. You can see it a little bit better here. And I just kept making those flyaways because they were so much fun. So one of the things that I'm enjoying with these pictures are the flyaway hair and the moodiness, and it's just been a lot of fun. So the last couple of videos that I made, I didn't do any monologue. I didn't talk. I didn't describe anything. So I don't know why I'm doing it now, but you tell me, do you like to hear me explain stuff? Do you like to hear what I'm thinking about these things? Let me know in the comments down below if you would rather completely silent videos or hearing my thought process through this whole thing. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I need all the subscribers I can get, and I need all the likes I can get. In this little picture right here, you can see the white gesso paint, and I think in the next one over eye, you can also see the gesso paint, where I kind of nudged the eye a little bit to the right. Look at right here. So you can see the gesso on the left, and it kind of helped me recenter that eye. Anyway, so give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. Please share this on your favorite social media platform. And if you got any questions, please comment down below. I don't get very many comments. So if you could, please tell me what you think. Talk to you later.